Oh, please don't misunderstand me. No, these boys, they do not get me. Loner standing at the party. Play my song, I'm on the floor. You got something else, you're different. Pique my interest, wait a minute. Who you loving, are you lonely? Got something I wanna show ya. Hold up, wait up, are you that one? Turning me on like, hold up, wait up, is this that love? That jumps my heart like, got my heart stuck in a loop, in a loop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here. If you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. If you clicked on this video, then you're more than likely trying to reach your hair growth goals, and a large part of that is protective styling. And while protective styling, you want to be able to tuck your hair away. As you all can see, I have my hair completely tucked away. The only part of my hair that's exposed are my edges, but the rest is well moisturized, hydrated, and concealed, tucked away under this wig cap. And I love using wigs as protective styles, but I feel like headband wigs are one of the best to use when protective styling because you don't have to worry about placing any lace over your edges and using wig glue and things like that. And while protective styling is great to do all year long, in the wintertime when your hair is going to get the driest, it's most important to protective style during that time. In this particular video, I want to showcase how amazing natural hair wigs can be for your hair growth journey, and just in the meantime being able to get the length that you desire while waiting for your hair to grow. And I feel like with these units, y'all, anybody can have long hair. Anybody. What? With these type headband wigs in particular, because they are kinky curly and they match our natural hair texture so much better, these are going to give you that natural hair look in minutes. So I just want to show you guys this particular unit. It's by a brand by the name of Curlyme. And this is a brand that I've never tried before, so I'm really excited to see what their hair is going to look like. And y'all, this unit is so affordable. I got it in length 18 and it's only $122. What? Okay, so this is what the texture looks like right out of the package. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and it feels amazing as well. And I like that it actually does have a kinky curly look to it. Some companies will have just regular curly hair and they'll put the kinky term along with it to appeal to us. And then their hair really doesn't have as much kink to it as you would like. But this one has a good amount of kink. I really like it. And it looks like it might be layered just a bit. So I've just gone through and just ran my fingers through it. And I can tell that it has a little kink to it. So I do like that. So I'm going to try it on now. Of course, you guys know how the headband wigs generally come. Someone did ask me what material the headband is in the front, if it's satin or if it's silk. Now, it isn't satin or silk. I believe this is a polyester material, but the material is good for your natural hair. I don't feel like it's one that's going to cause any friction or anything like that. I don't believe it'll even create any damage in the front because of the type of material that it is, but it isn't necessarily silk or satin. So I'm just going to open up the strap in the back and I'm going to install the unit. You all are going to see that it's so easy to install these units, and I've done a number of different videos. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then I'd recommend checking out my headband wig playlist. I already have my hair slicked down in the front, and if you do that, that's going to cut so much more time off. Now I'm going to install this unit really quickly, and it's as easy as literally inserting the combs and attaching the Velcro. Now, something I'd like to mention about this headband wig is that it's not fully connected to the band here. Now, some companies, when they make these headband wigs, they have the unit completely sewn down to this headband. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then there's a little opening in the back for you to attach it. But this one doesn't have it fully connected. So putting the unit up, you're going to have to make sure that you have it under this band or under another headband in order to make sure it's secure. You may want to also insert some bobby pins in order to keep it down if you're going to wear this unit up. If you're going to wear it down, just regular, you're good. But if you're going to wear it up, you need to insert some bobby pins just to keep it down in the back. So this is the length, and I feel like this is a really natural length. The density is also really good. This is what the texture looks like right out of the package. You can absolutely wear it as is. It's so gorgeous this way. Now what I'm gonna do is spray some water and conditioner on the hair and define the curls. And I'm also probably gonna diffuse the curls. So let's do that now. Y'all, these curls are so beautiful. I was nervous when I initially wet the hair down because I wasn't sure if it was gonna now look like a silky, curly textured unit, but it still does have the kink. It didn't look that way when I originally put the water on it, but it does come back, so that's awesome. So let me get in closer so you all can see. So these curls are gorgeous, and look at this one. This spiral curl right here is just doing it for me. Look at that one. I love how the curls spiral so nicely on the ends. This hair just looks so good, and I didn't have to add any additional product or anything. It looks really nice, and it dried so fast, which is pretty cool. All right, now just for the sake of giving it a little bit of shine, I am gonna spray this Icy Fantasia hair polisher on it. Now you could leave it as is, but I am gonna go in and give it more volume. But I do wanna show you all the headbands that the unit came with first. All right, just change my top. Let's try on the headbands.
Go on, come on and catch that vibe. Don't stop until the feeling's right. Spin around, come on, let's take a ride. We'll be feeling good in no time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. It's as simple as ABC. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's easy as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it.
Y'all, all of these headbands are so cute. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about the bandana headband, but it's really nice. I like it. And you all leave a comment down below letting me know which headband is your favorite. I really like these two the most, but let me know. I don't know why this one kind of brightens my mood. I guess because the color is so bright and light and airy. All right, so you can leave the hair the way that it is, and as you can see, as it dries more, it's getting more voluminous, and of course I've already kind of manipulated it a little bit, but I do want to actually go in and fluff it just a little bit more, and I'm going to do so with my pick.
Just do it, 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 just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's simple as that.
just love the shape. I love how it doesn't come straight down. This shape looks so good. And this hair is so soft. Now, for those who may be wondering how this compares to the coily texture that I talk about so much, this one is not as kinky as that, but it is kinky. As you all can see, this one does have a bit more texture than a regular silky curly texture unit. I really like that. I'm still blown away by the price. I can't believe it was this price. And it feels so soft. I haven't experienced any shedding, tangling, or anything like that. I'm not gonna actually do any styles with this unit because I don't want to mess it up. I like how it's shaped, how it's structured, everything is so perfect. And I have so many different styling tutorials with my headband wigs. So I'd recommend checking out the playlist that I have. But keep in mind, if you're trying to wear the unit up in the back, then be sure to insert bobby pins so that it doesn't flap up. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. This unit is so gorgeous. And it's really affordable, which is a major plus. I'll be sure to leave all the links and specifications down below. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.